Hi, this is Ezekiel here, founder of Asia Forex Mentor. Alright, this video I'd like to share with you a recent pair, the Euro Dollar. Alright, so price from our last post that I've shared with my members, we have noted that price is making a big upwards move. Alright, we can see the upwards move up to our resistance area which we have noted. Alright, the 1.342 area, which is this price pivot. Right, this area is marked is because of, can we see here the resistance, the support over here, which is in confluence with the 365 moving average. Let me zoom in later. Alright, so we can see price reaches here as a support. Alright, gets rejected, moves up, eventually breaks it down, counts back up, acts as a resistance, goes back down, counts back up, acts as a resistance yet again, goes down, up, resistance again, goes down, comes up. So we noted that this pair, alright, in this area at the period of time where all these have not happened yet, alright, we have noted that price move up with a nice bullish bar, yet another bullish bar. Alright, at this point in time we have noted that price will reach the significant area, alright, of our price pivot and the areas, the zone over here. Alright, we can see this entire zone. Alright, this entire zone. So no doubt that price will definitely halt or stop temporarily in this area. Alright, despite its bullish move. Okay, so no doubt about it, price moves up from the bullish bar over here, moves up, gets rejected naturally to form a pin bar. Alright, so those who have not analyzed this pair might have thought that this pin bar at the area of confluence will eventually take this down. Alright, I believe that most analysts has come to a conclusion whereby the pin bar right off the strong area of confluence would take it down. Okay, but it did not. Reason being that of a strong bullish move, and the weakening dollar. Alright, so price naturally goes up, gets rejected, forms a pin bar, backs down later, and moves back up. Alright, so what I'm going to show you is despite this point, alright, there is another point that I would like to talk about. Alright, so this is the daily chart. Let me zoom down to the 4-hour chart. Okay, let me zoom up. Alright. So what we can see here is this is an area, alright. This is the area, the price period which we have talked earlier. Alright. So price moves up to this area, gets rejected. Let me zoom in later. Alright, price moves up to this area, gets rejected, moves up again, gets rejected. Alright, so now this area, as mentioned earlier, is a strong support area or the resistance area, and this is the 1.342 area. Alright, so in this point of time, price form a bearish outside bar. Alright, this bearish outside bar is a good indicator that price is heading down. Alright, this is a trend reversal price action bar. Alright, this bearish outside bar is in confluence with the price pivot, and it closes below the 365 and forms a price action bar. Alright, so this is a good one that that probably some traders might have took this to have shorted it and it went down. Alright, so now price moves back up again, alright, to the area as mentioned. It forms a pin bar, alright, it gets rejected and comes down again, reaches the 365, moves back up again to form yet another pin bar. Alright, this is the trick area. A lot of traders would have entered on this pin bar, seeing that it is in confluence with the price pivot area and multiple support area or resistance area. So if we zoom out, we can see that this might be an reenactment. Alright, you see, price moves up, gets rejected, moves up again, makes a strong move down. So this might be a reenactment whereby price moves up, gets rejected, moves back up, forms a pin bar, and a lot of traders might have thought that this would have moved right down after which. But it didn't, alright? It didn't. Instead, it broke the pin and it is on an upwards move. Alright, so what could we have detected in this area is that this is a very strong upward trend. The first thing that price backs down is because that it had not reached the strong area for a long time. So this is the reason why it backed down. Alright, the reason why is it has a long upward move, and always remember that price needs to go down to head up even further. Alright, price, if you want price to go up, it needs to go down first to head up. Alright, so this is what that happened. Price moves up, reaches the area, and it has not stopped for a long time. Alright, so this is a significant area. Alright, so therefore it moves up, it backs down, naturally gains enough strength of the 365 to move up again. And note, as this is a strong area, price naturally moves up, gets rejected initially, but we would not have played this pin bar if we have looked and have analyzed on the strength of the pair. Alright, so this will be a natural movement. So price moves up, reaches the important area, comes down, goes back up, tests the area, and will eventually breaks up. So what we have played on this pair would not be a short, and instead we would have played a pending breakout. Alright, we could have played a pending breakout. So we would have played a pending sell order probably right off the pin bar in this area. Alright, so if we have put a pending buy order, and price will have broke the pin bar, probably it will goes up. So what will happen is price now has broke the pin bar. Alright, so it will either go straight up, or your probably goes up, comes back down to test the area again, and if it forms a confirming price action bullish bar, or like we will take a bullish bar to head further up. Alright, so if we do not play a pending breakout, so we will wait for a bullish price action bar of the strong area, which you can see here. So we will see a bullish price action bar of this significant area. Alright, the price pivot, the 365, and we will take it to head further up. Alright, I hope this analysis do help you out into analyzing your future pairs, and not just jump on the bandwagon immediately if we see an immediate price action. Alright, so this is what takes traders out most of the time, and I hope this analysis would have helped you in your future trades. So this is Ezekiel here once again from Asia Forex Mentor, and if you like to learn the full course and the full system that we personally use and professional forex traders personally use, do visit our site and check us out on our forex trading price action course. So I'll talk to you soon. See you.